Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fault code that can be a real headache for heavy equipment operators and technicians. SPN 5246 FMI 15. If you've ever seen this code pop up, you know it often means your machine is about to go into a derate, slowing you down and costing you valuable time on the job. So, what exactly is this code, and what do you need to do about it? Let's break it down. SPN 5246 FMI 15 is an SAE standard code that points to a fault in the selective catalytic reduction, or SCR system. Specifically, it means after treatment SCR operator inducement. Data valid but above normal operating range, at least severe level. That's a mouthful, I know. In simpler terms, your machine's computer has detected a problem with the SCR system for long enough that it's now forcing a Derate to make sure you address the issue. It's the system's way of saying, hey, I've been warning you, and now I'm getting serious. This code doesn't tell you the exact problem. Instead, it tells you that another, more specific fault code has been active for too long. Think of it as a final warning. The FMI 15 is the inducement part, meaning the system is inducing, or forcing, a derate. This could be a torque reduction, a speed limit, or in some cases, a complete shutdown after a certain amount of time. The goal is to prevent further damage to the aftertreatment system and to ensure emissions stay within legal limits. So, when you see SPN 5246 FMI 15, your first step isn't to fix this code directly. Your real mission is to play detective and find the root cause. You need to look for other active fault codes related to the SCR system. Common culprits could be issues with your diesel exhaust fluid or DF quality. You might have a low DEF level, or the DEF quality sensor itself might be failing, sending bad data to the ECM. Another frequent cause is a problem with the DEF dosing system. This could be a clogged DEF injector, a failing DEF pump, or blocked lines that prevent the proper amount of fluid from reaching the catalyst. Don't forget to check the NOx sensors. These sensors measure the nitrogen oxide levels before and after the SCR catalyst. If one of them is malfunctioning, the system can't verify that the emissions are being reduced correctly, which will eventually trigger the inducement code. You could also have issues with the SCR catalyst itself, like phase plugging or it being internally damaged. That is usually a result of other problems not being fixed in time. To properly diagnose this, you'll need a good diagnostic tool. Plug it in and pull all the active and inactive codes. The other active codes will be your roadmap. For example, you might see codes related to DEF dosing unit input lines blocked or NOx sensor circuit high. These are the real problems you need to solve. Once you fix the underlying issue, whether that's cleaning a filter, replacing a sensor, or repairing a pump and clear the codes, the SPN 5246 FMI 15 code should resolve itself. ULL likely need to perform a forced regeneration or a specific system reset procedure to get the machine out of derate and confirm the repair was successful. Remember, ignoring the initial warnings is what leads to this more severe inducement code and the frustrating derate. Regular maintenance and paying attention to those early fault codes can save you a lot of downtime and money in the long run. I hope this explanation helps you tackle SPN 5246 FMI 15 with more confidence. It's a common code, but once you understand what it's telling you, it becomes a lot less intimidating. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share what the root cause was for you. It could help someone else out. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more heavy equipment, tips, and diagnostics. We'll see you in the next one.